Alrighty, Max Auto. Here's your 408 small block fork. Your description is a combination. Got a set of our As Cast heads, Edelbrock air gap, cook fuel carburetor, MSD Pro Billet, custom grind hydraulic roller, front sump oil pan. Okay. Miniature front end on it. Beautiful. Want her to make a run? See what she does. Stay tuned. Alright, 34, 5 and 7 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 512, didn't flap there. Peak horsepower 464. We rated it at 450. It's got our front end on it, so it's really good. So what we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean for you. Show you a couple other things. When you receive your engine, find this thing that looks like a credit card, USB card, full of technical information, engine build specs, dyno video, a lot of tech stuff. On the engine will be this tag. That'll have an engine number and some other specs. If you need anything from us, that engine number is the easiest way to look you up. Look it over. It's got a QR code. That'll take you to some more tech stuff. So have a great day.